Ready to ditch boring presentations and crank up the engagement with awesome whiteboard animation, but caught between Doodly and DoodleMaker? Let's settle this epic showdown once and for all. First up, features. Doodly shines with its incredibly intuitive drag-and-drop interface and vast library of hand-drawn images. DoodleMaker, on the other hand, boasts AI-powered translation to over 60 languages and the ability to create full-color animations. Doodly's library is constantly growing with new assets added regularly, focusing on a more classic whiteboard animation style. Its hand-drawn characters feel authentic and relatable, and you can even upload your own images. DoodleMaker leverages AI to create animations in multiple languages and offer advanced features like image-to-sketch conversion. This allows for greater flexibility in customizing your scenes and reaching a global audience. Now for the money talk. Doodly offers a one-time payment option, which can be attractive for long-term users. DoodleMaker typically uses a subscription-based model, so you'll be paying ongoing fees, but this grants you access to continuous updates and features. Check the latest prices in the description. When it comes to ease of use, Doodly's drag-and-drop nature makes it incredibly simple to learn, perfect for beginners. Creating compelling scenes feels effortless, even if you've never touched animation software before. DoodleMaker, while having a slight learning curve due to its advanced features, offers a powerful toolset. Its AI-powered capabilities can automate parts of the animation process and allow for more complex visuals. So, who wins? Doodly is your champion if you need simple, classic whiteboard animations, especially for explainer videos and marketing content. It's user-friendly and cost-effective long-term if you choose the one-time payment. DoodleMaker shines when you need multi-language support, advanced features, or want to experiment with more complex animation styles. It's the choice for creating dynamic social media content or sales videos. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs, budget, and comfort level. Test out both if possible. You can find the link in the description. Good luck.